Don't commit sparklicide. A study in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry found that this is the best way to preserve bubbles and taste. Chill the bottle to 39 degrees Fahrenheit. Just check your fridge thermometer. That's the temperature at which champagne retains the most bubbles. Hold the flute at a 45-degree angle, resting the flute's bottom edge on a table for support, so the champagne can slide in gently. Don't pour it directly into an upright glass. This destroys twice as many bubbles as pouring at an angle does. Finally, for a smooth pour with minimal bubble loss, touch the bottle to the glass. Thank you for watching this video on our K.E.Y channel. If you have any question, please leave it out in the comments below. And make sure to watch more of our interesting videos covering a wide range of interesting topics. And subscribe for more K.E.Y videos.